Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do an easy smoky eye makeup tutorial, and I'm going to do a full face makeup tutorial today. So I'm starting off with priming my eyes, just using the Wet n Wild eye primer. And I'm setting it with a light eyeshadow. And then here I'm just taking tape so that I can give like a cleaner line on the edge for my eyeshadows. Now I'm taking a medium brown kind of a color and putting it just directly into my crease to help blend with the darker shade that I'm going to put on my lid. And this is just going to help blend out the eyeshadows. And I don't want to take this too high because then your whole eyes are going to look completely dark. And then I'm taking a little bit of a lighter shade just to blend out the color that I put right there. Now I'm taking a dark brown shade and putting it on my outer lid and on the center of my eyelid. And I'm not bringing it into the inner corner because I'm going to put in a lighter shade there, like a shimmery kind of a color you'll see in a minute. And then here I'm just blending that out a little bit. I'm using the shade that I first put into my crease. And then here I'm just blending that out a little bit more. I don't want any harsh lines. And then here I'm just deepening that dark brown shade a little bit more just to make sure that I didn't lose any of the pigmentation when I was blending. And then this is where I'm taking the shimmery kind of a shade and putting it just into the inner corner. On myself personally, I don't really like dark shades in the inner corner because my eyes are already a little bit set in, so definitely don't want to make them look even more set in. And then just taking the tape off and starting on my eyeliner, and I'm just doing my winged eyeliner like I normally do. And then obviously putting on mascara. Now I'm going to start on my face makeup, and I'm going to start off by putting some concealer on, and I'm going to blend that out. Now I'm starting on my foundation, and I know it looks a little bit light on camera, but it matches in person. I think it's just the lighting. I'm just setting my under eyes and my T-zone basically. And then the reason I do that is so that the powder really sets that area and you don't get smile lines as easily as you normally would. And I'm just setting the rest of my face. I'm going to start off doing my eyebrows, and I prefer to keep my eyebrows a little bit on the thinner side. I don't really like thicker eyebrows on myself, so. And then they end up coming out uneven, which drives me insane. But, I mean, it works. They're done. They're close enough. And just blending them a little bit. Make sure they're not as harsh. Starting off with my bronzer and just kind of bronzing up my face. And I ended up doing the other side of my forehead a little bit too dark. So I had to blend it out a little bit with some powder and kind of try to make the other side more even. I'm going in with some blush. Then I'm using my lip sense in, I have no idea what color, but I'll put it down below. And then the lip sense gloss. And then this was when I realized that I didn't do anything on my lower lash line. So I'm gonna go back in, put a little bit of shadow on my lower lash line. And again, I don't really like super dark shades on my lower lash line. I normally, when I do my makeup and I'm not doing a tutorial, I don't even put anything on my lower lash line for the most part. But for this, I went ahead and put a little bit. But anyways, let me know your thoughts on the video. Make sure that you like and subscribe if you like the video. Let me know what you want to see. Talk to you later. Bye.